In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit with Submagic's Magic B-rolls, Magic Zooms, and regenerate scenes. Start by opening your browser and heading to submagic.co. Once you're on the site, log in and choose the account or workspace you want to use. If you have access to multiple workspaces, make sure you select the one that contains the content you're working on so everything you see is relevant to your project. Next, decide whether you're starting something new or continuing where you left off. You can open a brand new project if you're beginning from scratch, or select an existing one to keep building on your previous edits. Clear names and short descriptions can help you keep things organized, especially if you manage multiple drafts. If you're starting fresh, you'll be guided to bring your video in so it's ready to edit. Now navigate to the B-roll area. This is where the real time savers live. B-roll is the supporting footage that complements your main narrative. Think cutaways, context shots, or visual examples that make your story easier to follow. Inside the B-roll section, you'll see options for Magic B-rolls, Magic Zooms, and a three-dot menu that lets you regenerate scenes. Magic B-rolls analyze your content and suggest relevant cutaways automatically. Use this to quickly add visual variety without hunting for clips manually. Preview suggestions before applying them, and choose the ones that match your message and tone. If a clip feels too busy or off topic, skip it and keep the flow tight. Small adjustments to placement and duration go a long way toward keeping the pacing smooth. Magic Zooms help you draw attention to details. Apply a zoom to highlight a key point, a product, or text on screen. Keep zoom speed natural so it feels intentional rather than jarring, and vary intensity based on the emphasis you need. A subtle zoom can add polish, while a stronger one is great for moments that need extra punch. The three-dot menu gives you the option to regenerate scenes. Use this when a section doesn't land quite right. Regenerating can refresh timing, structure, or visual choices while staying aligned with your content. If the first result isn't perfect, try another pass and compare. Iterating here can save you from manual tweaks later. With those tools, Magic B-rolls, Magic Zooms, and regenerate scenes, you can enhance clarity, keep viewers engaged, and speed up your workflow. Explore, preview, and refine until your story feels clear and dynamic, and you'll have a polished edit ready to share.